Do you want your food safety program to be a living, breathing system that constantly gets better? The secret lies in fostering a culture of continuous improvement. But how do you build that in your plant? Hello, I'm Felicia Liu, a food safety consultant and trainer. I believe that true food safety excellence isn't just about passing an audit once a year, it's about instilling a mindset where everyone, from the front lines to senior management, is actively looking for ways to enhance safety and quality every single day. This is what we call a continuous improvement culture. It's about moving beyond reactive problem solving to proactive prevention. It means empowering your employees to identify potential issues, suggest solutions, and take ownership of food safety. It involves regular reviews of your processes, analyzing data for trends, and implementing corrective actions that address root causes, not just symptoms. A plant with a strong, continuous improvement culture is more resilient, adaptable, and ultimately, safer. It reduces waste, improves efficiency, and fosters a sense of shared responsibility, leading to higher employee morale and a stronger food safety system that truly works. Here is what you can do. 1. Empower your employees. Encourage all employees to report observations, near misses, and suggestions for improvement without fear of reprisal. Implement a system for collecting and acting on their feedback. 2. Regularly review and analyze data. Don't just collect data, analyze it. Look for patterns and deviations, customer complaints, or audit findings. Use this data to identify areas for improvement and track progress. 3. Provide ongoing training and education. Continuous improvement requires continuous learning. Regularly train your team on new food safety practices, technologies, and the importance of their role in maintaining a safe environment. Building a continuous improvement culture is a journey, not a destination, but it's a journey that pays immense dividends in food safety and operational excellence. If you're ready to transform your plant's food safety approach and cultivate a culture of ongoing enhancement, connect with me, Felicia Liu. Let's build a system that constantly evolves for the better. You can find a link to book a call with me, Felicia Liu, in the video description, or give us a call at 1-236-513-2488. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on food safety and leadership.